Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can just see, I just went into V75 and I was just so lucky, guys. I was just so lucky. I just got here and I just saw a nice trade. I just had a busy day, so I was moving around. Mid last, I just got back, I just sat down and I was like, okay, let me just check the chart. Immediately I just saw this clean trade that I can just actually tap from. Like, I just saw a trade that I can just actually scalp from and just make crazy amounts. Look at this stuff, guys. Look at this stuff. Is this stuff not clean? Look, now this guy has moved like this. Can you see? It has formed something like this. No, something I call an angle, right? Something I call an angle. It has formed something like this. So definitely it's just going to drop like this to come to this place and form something like this. Can you see it? It's going to drop and get to this spot first. Now after getting to this spot, it's going to form something, the third one here. If you can see, there's a first line here, there's a second one. It's going to form a third one here. Now if it crosses this place, then it's going to come here and just relax. This is so cool, guys. This is just so cool. Guys. So you can just see. So guys, all we just need to do now is just to quickly take some nice sells while it's trying to like retrace or do some funny stuff. We can just simply leave this guy. We can just simply go and just take some nice sells. Let me just take a sell on two. I don't have so much capital yet, so let me just take another one. Let me just take another one again. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me take another one. Let me just take another one. Okay. Okay, I think this is okay. Now look at something. Can you see the way this stuff is about to move? It's just about to like get to this spot, like just do some number like fluctuations, what I call fluctuations. Then after that, boom, it's going to drop down. Okay, now what I'm saying will look even nicer on a 1 minute time frame. Can you see it? Now it has actually gotten to this spot, right? See, guys. This stuff is so nice. These charts are actually so nice. First trading don't have to be like something difficult or anything. It doesn't have to be like, how do I put it, like suicidal or something that, hey, you want to cry about. No, you can see this stuff. It hit the spot. Go back now to your 15 minutes time frame. Good. What I just showed you came here, it hits the spot, right? Good. Now it's supposed to drop down to come from something else here. What I just drew on was it on my 4 hours time frame? I just showed you that. Good. I showed you that on my 4 hours time frame just now, right? Now, so it's supposed to come here, hits this guy. After this guy, it drops to this place. After this guy, it simply comes to this place to relax, right? Just like that, guys. See, guys, this stuff, like, this stuff is actually so nice. It's actually just a perfect trade. I don't know how to like convince you about this thing. I don't know. Look at this stuff, guys. Let me just show you something. I showed you already in such a way that this stuff came like this. It formed what? My angle, right? It came from my angle. Can you even see it? I can even draw it like this. You can see the sharp angle there. After forming it, it came back again to complete the angle, right? Good. In such a way that when I track this guy down, track it to this place and just take it like this. This stuff is just like plain, guys. Can't you see? This stuff is just like plain. You just track it like that. Immediately after tracking it, you just know that what? It's going to come and form a third one here. 1, 2, 3. It's going to form something here in such a way that it will get to this spot first. When it crosses that spot, it will drop here. It's not compulsory that it must cross this spot that is here. It's not compulsory. So immediately as it gets to this spot, you just TP. This spot, you just TP. Let me take it back. Let me just take it back. Yeah. So immediately as it gets to this spot, you just TP. Immediately after taking your TP, just leave the trade. Immediately after taking your TP, just leave the trade, then pause a little. Just leave the trade, then pause a little. Okay, let me show you this stuff again on the 1 minute time frame. You can see what it's trying to do on the 1 minute time frame is just trying to like fluctuate before it actually hits down, because this stuff is about to hit down like this. Like definitely it's about to hit down. So if it's some people now, immediately as this stuff got to this spot just now, you just be like, I'm leaving this trade. Like I'm just leaving. I'm tired. Look at what do you call it? Look at money. Like what they call it? I'm leaving this trade. The money is too much already. I'm leaving this trade. But it's not so, guys. See, do you know the funny thing about when people take trades? When people take trades, they actually love holding losses. You know, when it's on red, you see people holding it. Okay, it will go back. It will go back. It will go back to the right direction. It will go back to the right direction. But when you catch the market, like this, see, don't live on low profits. Don't live on low profits. No, hold it until you know that, see, you are satisfied. So long your analysis is perfect. That's what I always tell my VIP members, that, see, when your analysis is perfect, you don't even have to stress yourself. When your analysis is perfect, never leave a trade that the analysis is perfect. Now, I already told them how they can actually get this stuff, how they can actually know that an analysis is 100% accurate. You just, so long all those stuffs are accurate, you probably know how yours are accurate also. You just need to make sure that it's accurate. Immediately as you know that it's accurate, just go in. Now, remember the spots that I drew. This spot, I'm also drawing it now on the 1 minute time frame. See, guys, I can't leave this trade now. There's nothing that can make me leave this trade now. This trade is actually still moving in a nice direction, in such a way that I just need to hold this trade to pick. Look at, I'm having 397. This is not nice. We've got to add some we've got to add some nice pips to this trade. Now, this trade has no choice. This trade has no choice. It just has no choice. You know, when I got back, I just sat there in the house, like, I was like, oh, let me just check this chart, and I just saw this stuff. So I'm like, okay, I have to record this. Let me just show you, because the stuff is still playing. It doesn't want to move. I'm not satisfied with my profits yet, so I can't. No, there's no profits yet. Yeah, I can't really see any profits yet. So I'm just going to still wait. But then you understand the way I drew that stuff on the 4 hours time frame. It formed me something I call an angle. When you see a formation like this, guys, you just need to track it and track it and track it again like this. Boom, it will form something like this. This must be 3, 1, 2, and then the last guy there, 3, in such a way that you can just pick crazy pips from the market. See, look at my profit currently, but I'm not satisfied, guys. I'm not satisfied yet. Okay, now it's moving the way I want it to move. Okay, you can see now it's moving the way I want it to move. Okay, guys, so this is how you scalp the market, guys. This is just how you scalp from the market, guys. I don't want this video to be so long, guys, so I guess I will just end this video here. So I just took the market like that. So, guys, it's a buy for me. All you just need to do, guys, I have free seminars on this stuff. You just need to subscribe to my channel and send me a screenshot that you subscribe. I have free bots and everything there. All I just want you to do is to just join the team, guys. It's a piece for me. It's a buy for me. Peace.